In this video, I'll explain the new features of the AI video tool called Kaiber, where you can create from images and video a very nice animation. By the way, if you want to know more about Kaiber, I've created a full tutorial about how to use Kaiber and you can watch it over here. Here we are in the part where you can create a video. So I start with an image, then I say continue prompt. And then here we are in the new dashboard of Kaiber, and one of the new features is storyboard. So here you see storyboard. So what I will do here is I say to young men, and then you have here style, and I will say cinematic. So there's the prompt. Then you go to video settings. I will do the minimum just for this example in this video, and here you can choose an effect. Let's do a zoom out. Then here you have the strength of the prompt, just keep it at 6. Here you see what's happening, and then we go to preview frames. Let's do this one, okay? Then I will say storyboard. So this is the new feature. So before it was only possible with one image. Now you can do up to 5 images. And what can we do over here? Well, we can change here Terminator transform into samurai. Then I choose a different prompt or different style, and that's watercolor. Then I go to video settings, and then I do 3 again. Then a rotate counterclockwise. Then go to preview frames, and here you have an example what it will look like. Well, I'm curious what it will look like. Then we do the last one, and we do samurai fly in the sky. And let's use a different oil painting for this. Then go to video settings and let's do down, or let's do zoom in, zoom out, down, okay? Go to preview frames. Here you can see your storyboards. Well, first needs to create a preview. Okay, so here you have the storyboard. You can go back to storyboard 2. Here you see that it's doing something else. So here I can change it, samurai. Okay, this needs to be changed to samurai warriors. Okay, video settings, yes, go to preview frames. Here you can check everything, samurai 3. So, and then you will click on create a video, and it will create the video. Also, a new feature of Kaiber is the gallery. There you can see other creations that people made with Kaiber, and you can copy a prompt and then use it for your own. If you click on this, then you can create your own thing of it. So how can we use Kaiber in the real world? Now, for example, I use it for my social media posts. So normally I talk just in the camera, sharing my knowledge or try to inspire people. But using Kaiber really spices up the video. So it gives me a tool to gain more attention from people with the presentation, but also to make it more fun to watch to the video. And the cost, the investment in time and resources is very low, and it gives really a nice boost on creativity level for your talking head video. So these are the new features of Kaiber. If you like to see the full walkthrough tutorial of Kaiber, you can watch it over here.